Today's the first day. We're gonna be starting this other home in the bluff. We'll walk through real quick, see if we can get an idea of the demo. So it's pretty good looking so far, but we got popcorn sinks we're gonna take out. We're gonna take out all the flooring in the house. We're gonna be updating the kitchen. The flooring's gonna go back to be just concrete floors throughout. Is what they wanted. Sounds kind of cool. Back in here, all the wallpaper is going to be gone too, all the blinds, all the curtains. Bathroom's going to get a decent little update. The idea is going to be to demo out the shower all the way to halfway through. This closet is going to be a big tiled shower, and then that's how that'll look. Probably granite countertops everywhere. That's what they were looking at last time we talked. And new appliances. Let's see the kitchen real quick. That's another part of the bigger update. Granite countertops in here, obviously. All new appliances. It's gonna be nice. See how it goes. Crew should be showing up pretty soon to start the demo. We'll see. Checking out day 3 of the demo. Got all the wallpaper off. Working on the popcorn ceiling. Hey guys, how's it going in here? Oh my gosh, look at this place. Nice. All the wallpaper's gone. Look at that. Oh yeah. Nice.